What is going on, DeRosa Insiders? It's Matt Faircloth. Welcome to the Cash Flow Digest. Our company is the DeRosa Group, and we're a real estate company dedicated to transforming lives through real estate. We make things better with what we do, and we help people make a good return on their money and up their financial freedom goals and reach their financial milestones that they want while they contribute to making the world a better place through our real estate ventures. This is the Cash Flow Digest. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys are on Spotify, and I super duper 10 pounds of gratitude in a 5-pound bag. Appreciate you guys if you guys are watching on the DeRosa Insiders feed, which is on Facebook. If you're not watching on Facebook, go to Facebook right now and join DeRosa Insiders. You know what? It's free. It's a free community where we talk all things real estate shop. And even better, this show is broadcast every Friday at noon Eastern on the DeRosa Insiders channel. So you guys get to ask questions of our guest, talk shop with me, anything you guys want by being a part of the DeRosa Insiders community, among other cool stuff. We're going to transition. We're going to be talking now about the deal of the month. The DeRosa Income Fund is invested in all kinds of fun things. DeRosa Income Fund's been yielding in the high single digits. We crossed over 10% for one of our return months for our investors. So we're producing tons and tons of cash flow. And we're having so much fun at DeRosa Income Fund. We thought that we would share with you guys some of the progress we've had in deals that we've done, real deals that have been active in the DeRosa Income Fund. If you guys want to hear more about the DeRosa Income Fund, you want to book a call with us to hear about it, go to DeRosaGroup.com/DIF. That fund is for accredited investors only. But if you're not accredited, that's okay. You guys can watch this video and learn about investment opportunities that you might be able to generate. They're just as creative as this initiative that DIF has gotten into. But we'd love to hear from you guys if you want to invest in the DIF as well. So go to that website, DeRosaGroup.com/DIF, and you guys can consider it. Take it away for today's video, telling us more about the deal of the month for the DIF.
What's going on, everyone? Vincent Celeste here with another DeRosa Income Fund deal of the month. For those of you who haven't seen these types of videos before, DeRosa Income Fund is the newest way that DeRosa Group is providing passive income to investors by investing in real estate secured and personally guaranteed debt. Basically, we're funding opportunities like I'm about to show you right here. So in this segment, we just highlight a deal that funded the month prior. So let's jump into it. Another exciting one here, actually. It's going to get harder and harder to do this, but if you remember, 2 months ago, we shared a $1.3 million loan for a warehouse conversion. Month previous, we showed a $135,000 loan to really actually finish construction on a restaurant. And then now we're showing a $510,000 loan that's new development. So I just want to pause here to highlight 3 different business plans, 3 different operators in 3 different geographic regions. So we're really happy to see the way that this business model is being rolled out and the way that we're able to diversify risk across all these opportunities. So here's another exciting one, and I think you'll see why we were excited to lend on it after we go through some of the details here. We've lent $510,000 in October to a developer in the Atlantic City, New Jersey area. This person has picked up 3 lots and is developing on that lot. So the pictures here are maybe a little more boring than the previous couple of pictures that we've been able to show. But this is new development, so that's exciting stuff. I want to highlight that this person has experience and has done 5 similar exit strategies in the same geographic region. So again, our focus on when we're looking at deals and deciding who we lend to is really predicated on the experience of that operator and our confidence in their ability to execute. We're very confident in this operator. And going through some of the metrics here, I think you'll see some of the highlights. So new development, $510,000 loan. It ends up to be a 57% loan to value. A common highlight, if you remember the past couple of videos, we always target that low loan to values. So this one comes in at 57%. And their exit plan is to just sell the asset after they've developed it. So pretty basic business. And, we're excited for this one and to see where it all goes. So thank you all for watching. And this is another DeRosa Income Fund deal of the month. If you're interested in investing in DeRosa Income Fund, please head to DeRosaGroup.com/fund. Thank you.
Guys, thank you so much, Vinny, for highlighting the deal of the month. Guys, if you want to hear more about the DeRosa Income Fund or the deal of the month or want to get highlights from it, just go to DeRosaGroup.com/DIF. We also highlight the deal of the month in our monthly newsletter, which you guys can get access to by going to DeRosaGroup.com and just signing up for our newsletter right there. That's what I got for you guys today at the Cash Flow Digest. Make sure you guys join us next week at noon Eastern on this DeRosa Insiders channel. If you guys are watching on Spotify, make sure you guys take a moment right now and leave this show a good review and a thumbs up on Spotify. Tell Spotify how much you love this program so it'll continue to propagate it through the algorithm to other people so they hear about it too. That's what we got for you guys. Thank you so much. If you guys are watching live, have a happy weekend. Take care. Hey guys, Matt Faircloth here. Thank you for listening again to the Cash Flow Digest. I really appreciate you guys doing that. If you guys want to hear more about what DeRosa Group has to offer, go to DeRosa Group, DeRosa Group.com, DeRosaGroup.com online. You can hear about all the great things that we offer from an educational standpoint and passive investment standpoint on our website. See you there. And if you guys want to join our online community, DeRosa Insiders on Facebook, where you can watch this program get recorded every Friday at noon Eastern, and you can come on as even a guest or ask questions on the show. We hope to see you guys on our online community, DeRosa Insiders. See you there.